Leading the tableau presentation is Meghalaya Tourism. As the Meghalaya Tourism tableau unfolds like a pop-up book, revealing the enchanting tales of this picturesque state, you're immersed in a journey of our beautiful state. Traverse the living root bridges, marvels of sustainable engineering, connecting you to Meghalaya's rich cultural and natural heritage, whether it's the monoliths or our most colorful festival, Beit Klum. Meghalaya's natural beauty captivates with rolling hills, lush landscapes, and vibrant flora, creating a tapestry that invites travelers to explore its serene charm. The tableau cascades into the world of breathtaking waterfalls, where the rhythmic symphony of falling water echoes the harmony between the Meghalaya's landscapes and its vibrant communities, embracing the ephemeral beauty of Meghalaya's cherry blossoms, painting the landscapes with hues of pink and white, signaling a celebration of nature's resplendent artistry.
Second in line, we have the tableau from the Office of the District Social Welfare Officer, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong. Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan is a flagship program by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Government of India. Its aim is to reduce consequences of drug abuse and includes awareness generation programs in various schools and colleges with the aim to build capacity of service providers and provisioning of treatment facilities. The launching of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan with the objectives to tackle these problems is to reach out to children and youths.
Next, we have the tableau of the District Commerce and Industry Centre, East Khasi Hills, Shillong. The District Commerce and Industry Centre, Shillong, presents to you a tableau on the newly launched Central Sector scheme called PM Vishwakarma. The scheme was launched on 17 September 2023 by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, with the objective to provide holistic and end-to-end support to artisans and craftspersons who are engaged in various traditional activities or occupation whose skills are passed down from generation to generation following a Guru Shiksha model of traditional painting. Presently, 18 trades are covered for availing benefits under this scheme, which ranges from carpentry, blacksmith, goldsmith, locksmith, cobbler, barber, tailor, basket weaver, potter masonry, and other such similar activities.
Following closely behind is the tableau from the Superintendent of Fisheries, East Khasi Hills District. Aquaculture is the systematized farming of aquatic organisms such as fish, shellfish, and even plants. Aquaculture contributes to human food fish demands, poverty alleviation, and rural development. It is the fastest emerging food production segment in the world. The Association of Fish Poultry Horticulture yield great return.
Next, we have the tableau of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, Shillong, with its vision for short-term skill trainings that creates a centralized repository of activities and initiatives to the youth between the ages of 18 to 35 years. MSSDS works to harmonize and standardize training modules and curriculum for skill trainings, empanel training providers, and sanction funds to identify demand-driven trades. The top 11 sector trades still in demand are construction, food processing, agriculture, tourism, apparel, textile and handloom, electronics, crafts, beauty and wellness, and healthcare.
Following closely behind is the tableau from the District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, East Khasi Hills District, with the theme titled Cow Dung from Waste to Value. The theme concerns greenhouse gas emissions, mainly methane, from livestock and dairy farms, as well as their connection to global warming and climate change, having grown among the general public worldwide in recent years. The biogas production reduces greenhouse gas emissions and provides alternative energy source, which promotes the responsible management of organic farm waste.
Lined up seventh, we have the tableau of the District Horticulture Office, East Khasi Hills, Shillong. Meghalaya, with its abundant rainfall and diverse ecosystem, holds immense potential for natural farming practices. The state's unique agroclimatic condition makes it conducive for cultivating a variety of crops using sustainable and organic methods. Natural farming, emphasizing minimal use of external inputs and relies on traditional wisdom, aligns perfectly with Meghalaya's eco-sensitive ethos. By promoting practices like permaculture, agroforestry, and indigenous farming techniques, Meghalaya can enhance soil fertility, conserve water, and preserve biodiversity.
Lined up eighth in today's tableau presentation is the Divisional Forest Officers, Social Forestry Division, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong, with the theme titled Save the Wild Cats of Meghalaya. The cats of Meghalaya are categorized into two types, the large cats and the small cats. Clouded leopard, which is a rare animal, also the state animal of our state, is one of the small wild cat. Others include the Asiatic golden cat, the jungle cat, the leopard cat, the marble cat, which is the showcase here today in the attire. All these mentioned wildlife are endangered and need our protection in conserving them. Conserving wildlife as a whole helps in promoting the declining trend in wildlife, plants and animals, indirectly protecting us from climate change and maintaining the ecological balance as well as cultural significance.
Next, we have the tableau of the National Cadet Corps Shillong. The National Cadet Corps Group Headquarters Shillong was established in 1984. The group headquarters has 4 battalions under its command, 2 Meghalaya Battalion NCC and 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC at Shillong, 41 Meghalaya Battalion NCC in Garo Hills, and 42 Meghalaya Battalion NCC in Jaintia Hills. The NCC has contributed immensely across the state during the times of calamities, as well as through social welfare and environmental activities. NCC cadets of the state have made a mark at the national stage. Captain Clifford Nongrum was awarded the nation's second highest gallantry award, the Mahavir Chakra. Next, we have the tableau of the Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Office, Shillong. To generate awareness, realization, and cognizable action by one and all, the Soil and Water Conservation Department is highlighting the prime importance of life-supporting natural resource by showcasing the tableau of the picturesque Maura multipurpose water reservoir, which has been created on an abandoned quarrying site and unproductive wasteland. Aesthetically designed as an RCC arch dam, it impounds about 528 million liters of fresh water, covering about 20 acres of water spread area. The USP has taught and encouraged local people to judiciously use common property natural assets to protect the catchment area and feed the spring sources, and also inculcate proactive participatory water harvesting approach.
The final tableau in today's Republic Day celebration is from the Office of the District Election Officer, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong. The theme title, Nothing Like Voting, I Vote for Sure. As the country prepares itself for the upcoming general elections to the House of the People, it is pertinent to remember the importance of public participation in the democratic process via means of electoral participation through voting. Yes, the true strength of our Indian democracy lies in the vibrant and dynamic nature of voter participation turnout during elections. Being the largest democracy in the world, voting becomes an important role and duty that every eligible voter performs whilst electing their choice of representatives. The tableau is a pictorial representation of the iconic route bridge, which is the pride of Meghalaya and India. It signifies the extent the voter traverses through the natural living route bridge to cast their vote. It defines the true meaning of the term, your vote matters, and Meghalaya prides itself as the leading the way in terms of electoral participation. Through this tableau presentation here today, the Office of the District Election Officer would like to urge upon all eligible voters to participate in the electoral process by exercising their franchise in the upcoming general elections to the Lok Sabha, in line with the Election Commission of India's mantra, no voter to be left behind.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge applause for all the 11 tableau presentations from the different departments of the government of Meghalaya.